Rain Check versus Hood Mom. This is my song right here.
A story on a Saturday. A story.
Yo, San Francisco, can we get a soap clap, please?
A story right now. I wanna tell you.
On beat, come on, y'all. Clap. What is this, man? When did San Francisco get off beat? Come on, man. I'm from the mission, man. We always on beat. Let's go, y'all. Round one. The Dads. Okay, we going in, y'all. This is it. Wow. Get it. Round one.
When the people gonna be able to sit together.
Listen to the words, y'all. Come on.
If you can love your brother.
Get funky. Come on, what you got for us? Yo, crowd, what you got for them? Let's go, make some noise. Oh, snap. We got Scarface, y'all. The world is yours. Here we go. Come on. Yo, crowd, where you at? He said, shut your mouth. Let's go. Come on, y'all. So clap. Here we go. Clap, y'all. Clap. Clap, y'all. Clap. Knocking them up. Oh, he said smell like armpits. Y'all. What you got for us? Come on. Oh, damn, we slicing and dicing, y'all. Here we go. Ooh, straight to the point. What I'm talking about. Like, man, quiet. Round three. Bless y'all. Turn around, y'all. Round 4. Final round. Round 5. What you got for us? Save the best for last. Here we go. For Rain Check and the Hood Dads. And shout out to the Hood Dads, y'all. They entered with 3. They either showed up and was like, you entering? Or they planned that. They're like, F that, we entered as 3. We smoking for it. Rain Check? Rain Check. That's who's battling? Oh, my bad, Rain Check. Rain Check entered with 3. All right, here we go. Judges on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rain Check.